About the chance for some thunderstorms later today. Also going to be another hot one. Sticky, humid. Michelle here now with more details.
You know, we have that very high humidity in place for today. That's actually going to help to fuel storms, make them prone to some very heavy rainfall. And so parts of New England under a flash flood watch. In fact, a lot of New England under a flash flood watch for today. Now at our coastline, things are dry, but we do have some overcast skies as we look at our Narragansett beach camera. You can see not the prettiest of mornings right now with the coastline. Those clouds will be with us through a lot of the day, and it'll be a breezy day as well. So some partial hazy sun. You're finding that especially further inland into Providence. The flag's already whipping in the winds, and those winds will be busy today. And that's another reason why we're concerned that any thunderstorms that develop will pull or have the potential to pull down some stronger winds aloft. It could lead to some wind damage. Here's our Doppler radar right now. It's all quiet. Heading out on the roadways, they are dry locally, but the stormy weather already taking shape across northern New England, and that line is expected to push to the east. So it's 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening that the northern part of Rhode Island is likely to start to see some of that stormy weather push in. Here's the flash flood watch, and it's just outside of Rhode Island, including much of the Boston suburbs that are under a flash flood watch until 10 o'clock today. Our area is not included in that, but I wouldn't be surprised if the National Weather Service ends up expanding that into parts of Rhode Island at least. So a heat advisory, northwestern corner of Rhode Island. Those areas seeing brighter skies. The temperatures warming up quickly in those spots. Cumberland, in fact, already at 81, and it feels like 86. Meanwhile, Smithfield's at 79. Feel like there is 82. Dew points in the low 70s. That's very oppressive. 77 in North Kingstown and Newport under the cloudy skies. You're at 72 degrees. Winds gusting to 20 miles per hour already. So this cold front's going to have a lot of fuel to work with here as it runs into that hot and humid air mass. The highest risk of severe weather. This area is shaded in yellow today. So Rhode Island, you're split right in the middle here with the interior parts of Rhode Island having that higher risk of severe storms than further south and east. There's a couple of reasons for that. One is the timing. These storms moving in between 5 and 8 p.m. we start to lose our daytime heating. The other reason is that those storms will collide with that more stable marine air that's going to be in place near our coastline due to the winds off the water and some of those gray skies. This is an hour-by-hour forecast. This is at 9:30 this morning. Still mainly cloudy skies. Notice how there are some breaks of sunshine and quiet conditions into the early evening. This is 5:30, so stormy weather moving into northwestern Rhode Island and then expanding south and eastward. 8:30 in the evening, potential for those strong and severe storms. Now, as we approach midnight, a lot of those storms will tend to weaken, but we could see some lingering showers and thunderstorms into the night. So we're dry at 1 o'clock, dry at 3 in the afternoon, hot and humid. Those storms moving in during the evening commute. Prior to that, noontime heat index mid-90s. It's going to be a steamy day. Warm, breezy at the coast. Lower 80s under partly to mostly cloudy skies. This evening, showers and thunderstorms. Main concerns with this would be street flooding. In those heavier downpours, your typically prone spots to poor drainage flooding, street flooding. You're going to have to watch for that. And then the other concern would be for the stronger wind gusts. 7-day forecast. We get through the stormy weather today. We got some nice days ahead to finish out the work week and kick off the weekend. Temperatures in the mid and upper 80s through Friday, and then cooling down a little bit Saturday. Humidity goes back up early next week, and so does the chance for some showers and storms for Sunday. It looks like late day and evening. You'll want to get the latest forecast throughout the day today at WPRI.